Hey everyone. If you want to upload your resume on LinkedIn and make it visible to recruiters, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to upload your resume on LinkedIn in 2026. First, open LinkedIn and go to your profile. This is where you manage your professional information. Next, go to the jobs section. This is where you can access resume upload settings. Now open application settings. Here, you will find the option to manage and upload your resumes. Click on Upload Resume and select your file. Use a PDF format because it is the most accepted and professional format. After uploading, save your resume and set it as default. This helps you apply faster using the Easy Apply feature. You can also upload your resume while applying for a job. Just click Easy Apply and attach your resume during the process. Finally, keep your resume updated regularly. This ensures recruiters always see your latest skills and experience. So yeah, that's how you upload your resume on LinkedIn in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and you'll be ready to apply for jobs quickly and professionally. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more career tutorials for fast and easy guides.